In today's topic, we will be discussing about phase change. The states of matter can exist in these three forms: solid, liquid, gas, but there are other states of matter. Pero ang i-discuss lang natin here in thermodynamics is these three. When there is a variation to the temperature and pressure, the matter undergoes phase change. This phase change can transform from solid to liquid to gas and vice versa. Wherein during the phase change, the particles loosens up or solidifies. So these are the states of matter. So we have, okay, so let's assume that this is water molecules. We have solid, liquid, and gas. So pero ito talaga yung water. Okay. So in water, diba, negative 127 degrees Celsius. Pag nag-liquid, nasa 13 degrees Celsius, and gas is nasa 156 degrees Celsius. Now, let's try to do phase change. So, this is an ice in a negative 127 degrees Celsius. Now, the pressure is 0, and this is the formation. Now, what will happen if we decrease the volume and increase the pressure? So, as you could see here, habang dinidecrease natin yung volume, nag-increase yung pressure. And sabi nga natin, if the pressure increases, phase change occurs. Yan. So you could see, tumaas yung pressure, the temperature also rises, meaning that the ice phase changed. And yan. So, nasa 259 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of the air na kanina, or steam. So you can see very aggressive na yung mga water particles. So as the pressure and temperature changes, the formation of the particles also changes. Nagkaroon ng transition from ice to liquid to steam. Okay. Now let's try vice versa. We will decrease the temperature. What will happen kaya to the pressure? Example, this one. Ayan, taas ng pressure. Now, taas din ang temperature. Now, let's try to cool down. So, bumababa na yung temperature. The same as the pressure. And yung movement ng particles ay gradually slowing down. Okay, let's assume that this is a steam. Diba? And habang bumababa yung temperature, nagkakaroon ng condensation. Paunti-unti na siyang nako-condense. Okay, hanggang naging liquid. And gradually, magiging siyang solid. And that is ice. So as you could see, here in our investigation kung paano yung behavior ng particles and how do these factors, pressure and temperature, affects the phase change. So these are the states of matter, the gas, liquids, and solids. Yung itsura ng kanilang particles and its temperature. Kapag gas, yung water molecules ay medyo mataas yung temperature. Kapag solid naman, yung temperature ay napakababa. So with these three states of matter, there is 6 processes of phase change. We have melting, freezing, vaporization, condensation, deposition, and sublimation. So let's start first from melting. So it is the phase change from solid to liquid, from ice to liquid water. So it shows that the ice cube melting into water. So melting is the process by which a substance changes from solid phase to the liquid phase when the temperature increases. Or yung freezing naman, it is the phase change from liquid to solid. So this example shows the freezing of sweetened cream into ice cream. So freezing is the process through which a substance changes from liquid to solid, from example liquid water to ice. So all liquids except helium undergo freezing when the temperature becomes sufficiently cold or the temperature extremely dropped. Next is vaporization. This is the phase change from liquid to gas. So this example shows the vaporization of alcohol into vapor. So yan yung tinatawag nating vape. Or kapag nagpapakulo din tayo, 'di ba? Kapag kumulo na yung tubig from water, nagiging siyang steam or vapor na tinatawag. So vaporization or evaporation is the process by which molecules undergo a spontaneous transition from liquid phase to gas phase when the temperature increases or when the temperature is high. So condensation, phase change from gas to liquid. So as you could see from these photos, yung tumbler at yung dahon ay may mga dewdrops. So, yung tumbler kasi dito ay medyo mababa yung temperature compared sa room temperature. The same as with the leaves, 'di ba? Mas mababa yung temperature nila. Kaya yung mga hamog, 'di ba? Na nakasuspend sa air, lapit ng tumbler na 'yan at ng dahon na 'yan, nag-condense kasi bumaba nga yung temperature nung water droplets suspended in the air, bumaba yung temperature nila. Kaya, pagdikit nila doon sa tumbler at dyan sa dahon, naging dewdrop sila kasi nagkaroon ng condensation. So, condensation, the opposite of evaporation, is the change in the use of matter from gas phase to liquid phase. So, deposition, from gas to solid. So, kung isipin nyo, parang shortcut kasi from gas, hindi na siya dumaan ng liquid and it turned into solid. So, as you could see from the pictures, so these are the suspended air. Yan, sa atmosphere. Yan yung mga nakahang sa atmosphere. Now, because of the low temperature in the environment, that gas transformed immediately from gases into solids, from gases into ice, as you could see here. So this is the example of deposited matter. Yan yung itsura ng ating gases kapag naging solids sila. So, last phase change from solid to gas. So, kung nakakita na kayo ng mothball, di ba? Yung mothball from solids and magtuturn na siya into gases. So, that process is what we call sublimation. This example shows that sublimation of dry ice into carbon dioxide. Sublimation is the transmission from a solid phase to a gas phase without passing through an intermediate liquid phase. So another example is when dry ice directly transitions into water vapor on a cold wind or winter day. Windy winter day. So this is the diagram of the phase change. Yung gas into solid is deposition, and solid into liquid is melting, and liquid to gas is vaporization. Meanwhile, gas to liquid is condensation, and liquid to solid is freezing, and solid to gas is sublimation. So, yun po yung wag kakalimutan sa concept na phase change. So, if you have questions, you may post it in the comment section. And please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Marshall the Teacher, for more, to be updated for more videos.